Hey guys, this is Kelsey, and my channel is called Wonder Toys. And today, in my very first video, we'll be doing slime. And we have a special guest here today. Is Kara, her sister. Okay, so we will be making slime. So let's just get this out. I am personally a big fan of it, and I am really good at it. So that's why I'm helping her today. So you're going to choose your things. Here's the glitter. We got glue, clear glue. That's the good stuff. So you have to have clear glue. And then you got your magic liquid, which is pretty much borax, except it's probably safer. The white glitter, the blue glitter, and the gray glitter. And then you got your stuff. Alrighty then. What do you want to mix in your slime? So these I'm going to mix them all together. Mine. All of them. Mix them all. Alright, let's get started. Okay. Okay, first we need to add the glue. You can just use your hands. So, you're going to use all of it? Yeah. Wait. Alrighty then. There's a bubble. I'm saving some. Oh, it popped. Go grab a big sticker. You can use your fingers. No. So, first, we're going to add this. Are you going to put it all or just some? Some. Okay, so now just take your hands and start mixing. Alright. Because we don't need an utensil. Just use your finger. Unless we use like a pencil, because I really don't want to go and get a mixing utensil. Whoa, that looks so pretty. It's like so thick now because Elmer's glue is so thick. Alright, so we're going to add our solution. It smells really bad. So you're going to add a little at a time to get that perfect stuff. Sorry I'm hardly in the video. We kind of got a small little area. Need a little more. You're getting it all over the side, girl. I'm not really doing much. I'm just helping her. I keep on backing away. Okay, so once you think you've added the right amount of your solution, which I usually use borax when I make my slime, but you can use like Tide, borax, obviously that's what I use, and I can't think of anything else, but I know there's one more thing you can use. Well, this stuff, whatever it is. Washable, safe, non-toxic. Borax is non-toxic. So we will add more and more until it's done. It's like not. You gotta knead it too. Yeah. I don't know if this magic stuff is really working. Here, put it back. Maybe I need to go and grab some of my borax and maybe that'll work better. Hold on, let's wait a second and add some more. You should have took your rings off. I only have one. Well, it's like two to get together. Can you wipe that off? Like. So, if you like this video, comment in below to her because this is her channel. I don't have a channel because, well, I don't know. And subscribe to her because she will make more videos, hopefully. obviously. It looks like it's coming together pretty good. Gotta knead it and then add a little more. Oh, you just got it all down the side of my hand.
Sorry. It's not working. I don't think this magic stuff is working.
Oh my gosh. It like has a consistency that it is working. They like the instructions for the Elmer's glue. Personally, I think it wouldn't work as well because you're supposed to add a little at a time, and sometimes they just tell you to put this much in all at once, and then pretty much it like ruins it. Except for the Elmer's slime kits are a little better than like the regular ones you can get like find at Walmart and stuff.
It's still kind of sticky. Go get your borax.
There. It's a lot.
Okay.
It's like almost uses half of it.
Yeah, just so it would stick.
And if any of you ever want to make clear slime, like I have clear glue, so I'm gonna make clear slime. What you have to do is when you make your clear slime, I would recommend using borax, or just if you use the stuff it's clear instead of like Tide, which isn't.
It's so sticky.
It has a tint to it because then it wouldn't be clear. But the thing is when people make clear slime and they're like complaining because it isn't clear, it's because you pretty much have to wait, like put it in a container and wait like 6 days.
It's so sticky now.
It's sticky.
Go get your borax.
Alright, I'll be right back. And here, stick it in here.
If I can.
Well, it's because I'm gonna go get my borax.
It's not working, guys. Okay, this magic liquid is not working. You're still gonna have to use borax. Cause look, it won't even stick to me. Slime isn't that sticky. I feel like it makes it stickier.
Alrighty. I got my borax here. Go over the bowl.
I hope this works.
Well, it should, because borax works. There's slime here. Let me try to take some. Oh my gosh.
I know, right? It's sticking all over my hand.
Oh. Well, this isn't that bad. It's a little not that sticky. It smells just like the magic liquid that they have. I think it smells terrible. 'Cause it doesn't, oh my gosh. Here, there's more of that magic liquid stuff in here. Ooh. There's some borax on your table.
Yeah.
Oops, guys, you can't kind of see that. But as you see, it is so crazy.
Is it going?
Yeah, it's like working a little.
Here, can you give it to me? Because I have some in my hand.
The borax always gives it this. Don't go up.
Hey guys, it's working now. Kind of. Oh my god. Oh, I thought a piece of it flew.
Gosh. Ooh. I got a little bit of it, but not much. Okay, because you gotta knead it, otherwise it just makes it hard. And it's not very fun to play with when it's hard. Because who wants to play with something that's super hard?
Not
Look
me.
how pretty
No
that
one
is.
would.
Maybe there's like different certain things in the little Elmer's sticks.
It's jiggly.
That made it. Oh my gosh.
Jiggly, guys. See?
Made it do this. Let me see it.
Here. Let me just add these on there.
Here, try like scrape this out.
Yeah.
But careful, because there's some of that magic liquid in there. Because see, it's not, oh my god. It's not very clear at all. So I think I would recommend maybe leaving it in a container.
Hey, look, Kira. It's going.
Up to 6 days. Here. We got some stuff all over the table.
But it's okay. A piece of it keeps on falling off.
Okay, I'm going to try to get more sauce.
Look, guys.
I think it smells bad. Alright, guys. Well, thank you
For watching.
Yeah.
And here, I'll show you my slime. This is the slime. I don't know if you could see it, but
Here.
Could you see it, guys? Look how pretty it is.
I think it's very pretty. Alright, guys.
I hope
Well,
you like
thank you for
it.
watching. And subscribe down below to her. And we will see you next time. Bye.
Peace.